As mentioned earlier, if you portray yourself as someone who keeps marketing his own product, the risk of getting banned from Reddit is high. That's why in this section I'm going to show you how to be a Redditor to portray your credibility and eventually your content. Let's get started. Click on one of the threads. As you can see here, this is a post by another Redditor. First of all, let's try upvoting a post. All you need to do is click on the upward arrow beside the post. Clicking it will add points to a thread. You may downvote a post, however, a post should only be downvoted if it is not relevant to the subreddit. You can even share the post to multiple social network platforms if you want to: Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, within Reddit, or manually embedding the post. You can even save the post if you want to. Don't forget to leave a comment. This is part and parcel of Reddit if you want to build up your reputation. Click Save to post your comment. Scroll down to find the comment section. You can even upvote comments of other Redditors as well. Now that you're done interacting with a post, time for you to learn how to post in Reddit. Head back to Home, and on the right side of the screen, look for Submit a New Link and Submit a New Text Post options. Clicking on either one will direct you to the Reddit Submit section. You can start posting content that is relevant to the subreddits you've subscribed to earlier on. It is important that you choose a subreddit in order for your post to be in its relevant group. Continue filling in the rest of the requirements and click Submit once you are done. That is how you submit a text post. Next is the link post. There's not much of a difference between the requirements to submit a link and text post. However, for submitting a link, you need to insert the URL of the link you want to direct your readers to. You can even add images or videos. Don't forget the title and the subreddit of your post. That is how you submit both link and text posts. Next, I'm going to show you how to start publishing your first ad in Reddit.